gonna sneeze, charges, it's all over Ultra Greed and Ultra Greedy here. Let's go. Curse of the Unknown. Fuck that bullshit. Not right off the bat. Hell no. It had to reconnect like right. That's odd. This stream it said it had to reconnect. Oh well, but as I just said, gonna sneeze, charges, but all over ultra greedy, ultra greedy. Ultra greedy. Hell yeah. Not anything I wanted to buy from this shop, so I guess except for the soul hearts, as if I would need it, I'll definitely save all my oh, and also obviously the key for the treasure room, but I'll save all the money, most of the money for the next shop. Please don't kill me. I get to keep that heart. Awesome! Since I got the black heart, I keep that heart container. Nice. Just before I buy the soul heart, Conehead. Any damage has a 20% chance to be ignored. Nice. So rotten meat. With that, I believe there is a chance of on tick the laser getting that damage up. Okay. I'll reroll. Spiders. Shoes up. And also a gift. I'll take the loss of the sergeant. Really, Guppy's paw?
Friends till the end.
All of the things you could give me, I guess this might be helpful in if I absolutely have to have a heart. I can use this to get full hearts for a heart container. I really regret using that in there instead of in here. Based off of how the last floor went, I'm very sure I'm gonna die in there. Now, I'm happy with the way that went. Amazing item right off the bat. Damage speed up. Oh, yes, bucket of Lord health up. Remember, I think that one it gives me 2 hearts. I don't remember for sure. But yes. Buy the key to see what's in my treasure room, but by the help of prostitute. Yes. Oh no, so I feel so sorry. That one to us as well. That'll be really great for the later floors. Another help. Better be worth it. 2 bombs. Okay. Got that nickel back. Okay, that is actually that's not useless for me. The changes, but the transfer. Hit right behind me as well. second. Really speed up, nice. Really? Definitely gonna bomb you. Can either A, buy health up right now, or you with a chance of costing less than 15. Buy the health up for sure. And torn fold with tears shot speed up. Stupid damage up. I believe I need to have a total of 2 hearts. I really do want to donate to you, but the tears shot speed up very double my damage right in front of me, because I do have a second. I don't know if it works like that. If it does, then amazing. But what's not amazing is me getting hurt this much. If my father's off already. I knew it. God damn it. My father called me. Gonna be back soon, then I assume we're gonna watch the movies right away. I just gotta find out. took a little bit of time because my father just wanted to show me short videos. Those that he's watching today. Hey, and one of them was the Muppets Mayhem series that's gonna be on Disney Plus. That's at first watching it, I thought it was gonna be a fan resurgence movie type of thing instead of a whole series. So that seems pretty cool. Well, and my stepmom did a bunch of grocery shopping today, so whenever she gets home for Costco take and bake pizza, our first time ever getting it from Costco, oh, that is when we will watch the Cocaine Bear movie. So I don't know how much time I have, 30 minutes to an hour. We'll watch the movie. I'll come back to gaming for maybe another hour after that, I think. Okay, and then maybe like watch a video or two, because Critical uploaded a video earlier today. That sounds interesting. And then I'll go to sleep for work tomorrow. Oh, Tainted Rock, nice! If that's so hard, that'd be really helpful. Really sorry for pausing right again. I'm just curious if it says as if continue will essentially double damage of Brimstone. Potentially hitting enemies twice in one blast. So, yeah. So with continue, that essentially like doubles your damage right in front of you. With the Tears Up plus the extra Soul Heart stuff could be really helpful, but also the damage up from that. I think I'll go with Champion Belt for more damage up. Yeah. So that even if I don't curse them, it will still be pretty powerful. Yeah, I think I'll go with more damage. Also, kind of depending on what that treasure item is. Hurt enemies. Still, yeah, whenever I take damage, I get more tears. So fuck yes, I'm gonna go with the damage. Hell yeah. It's just like I got growth hormones here. Okay. I missed the sneeze. Let's just get back. Another pig. faster evading enemies. Nice, I guess. Driver, that's the one that gives you 2 hearts. Damn you. Damn you, why couldn't you give me that sooner? How does that work? Okay, just get Tears, range, and shot speed up. Nice. Oh, really cool, except for the fact that I'm down to half a black heart. God damn it. Okay, nice. Extra range on my sneeze. Ooh, how does that work with Brimstone? Ooh. Hemolacria. Yeah, that has priority. Yeah, I have Tears. Hey, okay. It does not apply to Azazel or Tainted Azazel. Also, default Brimstone Beam, which is overwritten but with no special effects. Does not apply to Azazel Tainted. The way this is worded is kind of confusing. Does it mean that the Tainted Azazel's Brimstone Beam overrides it? It does not get special effects? So, okay, now I understand, since it was worded a bit more clearly. The Hemolacria overrides my Brimstone Beam, and the tears do not burst into Brimstone Beams. But, with that could be still considered better than the original, than my Brimstone. I think the Sneeze and Spit is still better, since that does not stack and shoot out Brimstone Beams. Because I said since that overrides it, so I don't know if I'll be able to do the Sneeze, and the Sneeze only is best with Brimstone lasers anyway. With that, I could just fire out big tears and stuff, but I went out of the infinite range, and extra damage from the Brimstone Beam, shoot out tears really slowly. Really cool and all, but yeah, I'll buy the dog food. is when I get the chance. We fucking stay on more consistent. Okay, 3 times within the first 2 rounds. No, that was just awful. Awful performance there. Stuff. Magician. Bad. 1 extra penny. Cartridge. Key. And a palm. Loaded little sword. I found this. Oh, the red one's the more powerful one. Oh, wait. Does that work with Brimstone? Beam will gradually increase in size the farther it travels. There's plus 20% per tile distance. It doesn't specifically say that it is different with as tainted as Azazel. Fuck yes. So for every tile, I get about plus 20% damage into a lump of coal. Awesome. I want to buy all 3 of these, like that with that. Since I already got the key as well. Wait, one of you guys please money. No, that was a waste of a bomb. I should have saved it. Oh well. But yes, lump of coal. And then I'll use the rest of the money for you to hopefully get a health up. Fuck yes. Please.
The magician.
What? I could sort of shoot it for you. Oh my god, this is a glitch! A hard to have. Way there. There we go. Okay, 13 pennies, that should be enough. Hopefully get a health up from you, please. Useless half-heart, come on, please, buddy. Are you serious? die. That's for sure. I did not mean to step on the goddamn. How you survive that? With this yes, I think I might get enough coins for that health up. Speed up, I can't, I got another. And yeah, nothing else I can do here. Let's the mom is almost home. I mean, she'll need help with the groceries. Soon after that, watch out with me. Hey, think of it. Darn it, I should have grabbed that heart, right? Because I still have half my heart down. Darn it. Oh, squeeze! Sneeze really fast. This charges real fast anyway. That's a huge cheese up, but also I remember right. Things. Hey, I can sneeze that out, right? Justice, yes.
Justice.
Got the key I need, and yeah, I'll re-roll the items. I will buy the battery double use with Tammy's head, right? Gonna search up Tammy's head to make sure. This is the Mega Beam, right? No, but with my lasers and stuff, yeah. Let me search, please. killing. Shoots up 20 tiers in a circle, so it doubles the amount they shoot out. Each kill will, each laser deals my damage plus 25. That is why it is so much bigger. I'm really trying to be a most. Other may probably get annoyed. So, be back soon-ish. Okay, yeah. That's it. And she is home. We're gonna start the movie when she puts away the groceries. These are a few minutes. I'll play as long as I can. and stop and turn off the stream after that, and then start streaming when we return to a video, which is an hour and a half, hour 35 seconds. Damn, it's such a fucking awesome perfect item for Tainted Azazel. Especially with the car battery. Ooh, the blanket. Oh, that was such a good sight. Oh, you did not get it. And of course, would like a health up or stuff, but yeah, that or the ultra brief fight will be very helpful. Oh. Greenwald Plus, it's just tears up. Tears up far better. Thank you, Angel. And there's nothing else surrounded up there. Because yeah, I know the blanket will for sure activate when we go to greed. It should anyway. Oh, nice. Filigree feather, if I can get the bomb. That would be really cool. Also get extra angel item room. Angel room item, I mean, and I had very low chance on it to summon launch. Does it say if blanket works in green mode? I should have searched that up then because I thought it would activate. Okay, it only grants. Yes, it still grants it on for greed and that one boss fight. Nice. So yes, that is helpful for later on. Jacks, nice! Double this, if only I could. That health up awesome. It hurts, no it doesn't. Okay. Cool. Choose up to charge up very fast. What's that? Asshole. Come on, open up. No! I don't do that. And it's a holy grail, not a chalice. Oh, wait, why did I... Oh, wait, no, yes, I do this. 2 coins. Could try for that. And 2 keys, nice. I'm not making a mistake and just saving till the next floor. Great, just some money from that. Oh, my... Fuck, no! I wanted my key! At least I got money from that other chest to make up for it, so I can buy a key still. Oh, don't damage health up. Oh, it's powerful. One shot. Yes. Enough that consolation for us. Can't buy open that yet. Okay, I hear them grabbing plates, so it seems like I'll have to leave here soon. This turned out to be really awesome run so far. So many things. Nice. Okay, definitely gonna buy you for the damage up, and then buy you'll most likely give me a key, and then go from there. Okay, this is done. Most likely gonna watch a movie here. I can find out that. So, I'll be back in about like hour 50 minutes. We have to go through max. So, goodbye for now. See you soon.